12 to 24 months.
That's how long it takes the average channel to get to 10,000 subscribers, meaning you have to wait almost 2 years of constant uploading to be able to sneak into the 5 figures of subscribers. Does it actually have to take that long, or can the process be sped up? Can you get to 10,000 subscribers in one day?
No, absolutely not.
But can you do it in a few months?
Maybe, but you'd have to be an idiot to try.
I might be an idiot, but I'm a creative idiot, and I tried it. You might have noticed if you checked my channel, but it worked. Today's New Year's Eve. All of this started in August when I met my favorite creators and I asked them what would it take for me to do a video with them, and they responded and said that they would do it if I got to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year.
You gotta hit the 10 for the end of the year. Let's put a fire under you.
Praying to the YouTube algorithm gods that they push your content for whatever reason.
Post and pray.
Yeah. Post and pray.
Okay, you're wondering, how did I do it, and who the heck are these guys? This is Jake Weisler and Nate Tehan. I watched them all throughout college on the channel Full-Time Filmmaker. Believe it or not, their content actually helped me more than actually going to film and video classes in college. Stay with me now. Shortly after I graduated, I found myself working an office job that I absolutely hated. So I started a video production company, and I got it to a point where I could pay off my bills for a few months. So I straight up quit my job. And I'm not kidding, like a day after I quit my job, I received this DM right here from Jake Weisler. We were Facebook friends, and he had seen that I posted this on Facebook Marketplace as an ad, and he accidentally clicked on it. I couldn't believe it, but it was really him. So I got to talking with Jake, and he told me that him and his partner Nate were starting a new mentorship for wedding filmmakers. When I first quit my job, I thought, I'm gonna fail. I have no idea what happens next. I can't even pay my bills after a few months. But I had faith in myself, and I wanted to take the risk. At first, the plan was to go to small businesses and make them social media content in exchange for money, which I actually did end up doing for a little bit for significantly less money than weddings, but it was also a lot easier and faster, so it had its ups and downs. But the mentorship from Jake and Nate was a huge blessing. I loved what I was doing, and I loved the money that I was making, but when I had some time to reflect, I realized that I wanted more out of my life and my camera, which is when I kept coming back to the idea of trying on YouTube. At the time, I had only been using this channel that you're on right now as a portfolio to upload my work so that I could send it to clients for free, because you can upload to YouTube for free. When my mentorship with Jake and Nate came to an end, I took the opportunity of working with these two YouTube guys, and I asked them, what would it take for me to do a video with you guys? And they responded and said that they would do it if I got to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. At the time, that seemed impossible because throughout high school and college, I actually had a YouTube channel that I got up to almost 800 subscribers. So in that moment, I realized two things. I couldn't do what I tried doing for the last channel because 6 years, 800 subscribers, that just wasn't gonna work. And most importantly, I had to believe that I could be creative enough to make this work. Tons of other people have done it, why not you? Which is why I came up with the plan. I did a little bit of research, which honestly just means I watched some YouTube. During that research, I was watching one of my favorite YouTubers, Ryan Trahan, and I came across this. A few years ago, Ryan was running a campaign in which he would talk about trying to pass Dr. Phil in subscribers, and if he did it, Dr. Phil would do a video with him. Because that concept worked for him, I figured it could work for me. So part one of my plan was creating a goal that me and the audience could reach together. In every long form video I did, and across tons of shorts, I mentioned that I wanted to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year so that me and my favorite creators would be able to do a video together. I'm actually willing to bet that if you're watching this and you're subscribed, it's due to that. The second part of my plan was to make videos for the audience, not the algorithm. My thinking was, if I make videos that people watch, the algorithm will just happen by itself. So here's what I did. I sat down and I came up with 8 to 10 video ideas that I could build an audience around and create a binge session worth of videos. And because I was starting with such a small channel, I also decided to clip up those videos and make YouTube shorts out of them so that I could get views in shorts and drive them into full-length videos. To add a little bit more spice to that sauce, I decided that I would take a page out of Eric's book from his first year of YouTube and do something called authority hacking, which pretty much just means that you catch attention from someone bigger than you. I did that by creating shorts where I would say something along the lines of, Mr. Beast is the largest growing creator with over 200 million subscribers, and I'm over here just trying to get to 10,000 by the end of 2024 so that my favorite creators will do a video with me. Comment, do you think I'm going to be able to do it? Be honest. So over the course of August to December, I created these 2 YouTube series. One is about how to become a videographer. The other one is about getting to 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2024. Both are in my niche, which is videography and filmmaking. I will admit, my short form strategy worked a lot better than my long form. I did, however, have pretty good success with these 3 videos right here. And I'm actually grateful that it worked out that way because I had a lot of practice and I learned that some things will and won't work. And I got a glimpse into the things that will work and a warning of the things that won't work. Because of that, I'm gonna go into 2025 with 10,000 subscribers, a pretty good plan, and a bunch of really good ideas for where I'm gonna take this channel, including a collaboration video with Jake and Nate, and also potentially full-time filmmakers since I'm gonna be in town. Huh, Landon, if you're watching this? That's why I went from 100 to 10,000 subscribers in 3 months. If you're interested in hearing my filmmaking story, you could tap right here. And YouTube seems to think that you're gonna like whatever the heck this is. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year. I'll see you in 2025.